guys, so I know a few of you have suggested that I put in some bracing in the chassis of the car if I'm going to continue to remove rusty frame rails and stuff like that, which is a fair point, so I thought about that a little bit. So what I'm worried about happening is as soon as I disconnect this from the firewall, what might happen is that this is going to shift up. The frame rail is going to shift up and the body, or the rest of the body, will shift down. That's just how the weight I think is distributed right now. So I think the only thing that I have to do is just put in a diagonal brace from the cowl panel area down to here, so that it doesn't twist in the manner that I described. By the way, if you also need to get this done on your car and you don't have that much metalworking or fabrication experience, I can honestly say this is part of the job where it's probably worth just hiring a professional. I usually don't say that, but I think that's absolutely true. So what the problem is that there's a lot of complex curves, especially in this area right here where the firewall meets the floor pan. There's a lot of curves everywhere that I didn't really account for. And also all of the replacement parts, whether it's the frame rails or the floor pan, nothing is an exact fit, which means there's going to have to be a lot of hammering and manipulations and heating that has to be done, not to mention probably creating your custom or just creating your own sheet metal and replacement sections, which I don't have the tools nor the skill sets nor the experience to do. But being persistent and moving slow has worked out so far, so I'm gonna go ahead and just have confidence in myself and just push forward. All right, guys, I think this is it for this episode. I'm really sorry the progress is pretty slow, but you know, it is progress and I'm new to all of this, so I'm basically learning as I go. I think it's gonna be one more episode for me to, you know, weld this frame back up, put the floor pan back in, and hopefully connect it to the firewall and put the frame rail back on the car. And at that point, I think I'm just gonna finish actually, you know, completely taking off everything from the car except bare metal. And hopefully we can send it off to a acid dip place, because I have just given up trying to strip this car down by myself manually. But for now, I'm gonna have to get this place cleaned up because there is a surprise coming. You're gonna wanna see this. It's kind of a big deal. I'm super excited, and you guys will get to see what I'm talking about next episode. See you guys later. Appreciate watching.